Hello everyone, this is Nazia again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about brow products. With so many brow grooming products lately available from different beauty brands, it's getting very stress inducing to decide which one is right for you. I'm here to tell you different options for your brow products and which one to select, which one is the right one for you depending on your skin type and your brow needs. Now, brow filler can depend on your personal need, depending what look you're looking for that day, for that week, or for that month. It is very important to decide the right brow filling product. Keep in mind that sometimes more than one product can also be needed to get that perfect brows. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Beauty First pencil, which is available in 6 shades depending on your skin tone and hair color. So who is it this brow pencil for? This is for somebody who has gaps in the brows, asymmetry or sparse tails. With our Beauty First pencil, we specifically designed our brow pencil tip to be in a triangular shape. The reason for that is so that the tip of the triangle, you can use it as a hair stroke or to outline the brows. And the broader part from the triangle, you can use it to fill in the brows nicely and with a softer look. So now I'm going to talk about eyebrow gel. So let's talk about Eyebrow Gel Pot. Eyebrow Gel Pot is the secret for bold brows you see all over Instagram. In addition to giving brows a dramatic look, this formula can also give a subtle hold to the eyebrows. Now, who is this Eyebrow Gel Pot for? This is for somebody who has very little sparse eyebrows and looking for thicker brows, for a quick fill in. And also I wanted to let you guys know all our brow products are sweat proof, waterproof and smudge proof. If you want to see more videos on our products, please go to our YouTube channel Beauty First Spa. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to comment, subscribe and like our YouTube channel.